we were through a period in which inflation was high, higher than we had really seen since the late 70s or early 80s. But it has come down quickly. You mentioned the growth statistics in this morning's strong report. The inflation report for the last quarter of the year, the core PCE price index, which is a measure the Fed focuses on very heavily, came in at 2% for the last quarter of the year. And the broader index, including food and energy, came in even lower than that. So I do think that inflation is coming well under control. At the same time, that if you go back a year and you asked people what they thought the economy, the labor market would be at this point, they thought a recession was all but inevitable. And clearly we haven't seen that. We continue to have a very strong labor market, although perhaps some of the pressures in the labor market are easing somewhat, but good, strong labor market. And so I think Americans have been through a period, in spite of the fact that inflation's come down. If you go back to pre-pandemic and look at the level of prices, some things that are important in budgets, rental apartments, food, they are up, in some cases, say 20%. And so there was a period in which that was a great concern. Prices for a while increased more than wages. Now, the opposite is true. Wages are now increasing at a faster rate than inflation. People are getting ahead. They're seeing their fortunes improve. And I believe if inflation stays low, they'll begin to regain their confidence in the economy. And I think we're seeing that that's possible.